Hi viewers. You are watching Millennium Academy Accounting Hub. A company recorded $12,000 of service revenue in December 2023, but the service was actually earned in February 2024. Impact of the mistake. 2023 financials. Revenue is overstated by $12,000. 2024 financials. Revenue is understated by $12,000. The initial entry in December 2023 was accounts receivable account debit $12,000. Service revenue account credit $12,000. To cancel this out, we do the exact opposite. Service revenue account debit $12,000. Accounts receivable account credit $12,000. The overstated revenue in 2023 is reversed. Accounts receivable is also reversed and adjusted. Now, record the revenue when it was actually earned in February 2024. Accounts receivable account debit $12,000. Service revenue account credit $12,000. Revenue now appears in 2024, matching the period the service was provided. Financial statements for both years are accurate.
If you like a video, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for regular updates.